Hi guys, hope you're fine. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm super excited because I have an Hermes item that I want to sell to you and many other things as every Wednesday, bag drop day. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, well, hello, my name is Margot. I'm selling bags and accessories, luxury handbags and accessories online on my website because I'm very, very passionate about luxury handbags, as you can guess. And I started to sell thanks to YouTube because of you. Well, thanks to you, so thank you again. And let's start, actually. I will wait until the end for unboxing this, so stay until the end if you want to see what's inside. We're going to start with this one, yes. So this is a No A. This one is Epi leather in red. This is a vintage one. I love it. This is also the exact same as mine. This is my very first luxury handbags when I was 16. I bought the exact same. This is not mine, but I have exactly the same and I don't regret it. This is such a cool bag. I actually love it. So this is Epi leather, red Epi leather. This is a very, very useful bag and it will last in time. Okay, concerning the condition, I would say it's used, good used. Here you have the leather part that is damaged a little bit, but otherwise very good. I'm just gonna close it a little bit. On the outside, you have some darker stain on the bag, but nothing much. Otherwise, the leather parts are insane. Even on the strap, it looks very, very good condition. And this kind of bag is, you know, very good quality. On the other end, in the bottom of the bag, under the bag, like the corners are used. And you can see them because it's red, so if you scratch them a little bit, you can see it more comparing like to the bags that are in leather. But otherwise, inside is amazing. It's very huge, and you have like a zipper pocket here. You're not going to be able to see here, but I've linked every item that I'm going to show you in this video in the description, so you have every photo, everything on the website. And the price for this one is 490 euro, which is a very good price for a second hand. If you are from the US or from the UK or outside Europe, because I ship from Europe, I ship worldwide. But if you are outside Europe, even if you have to pay customs, it's still very interesting in terms of price. You can check. I have already clients from the US, Canada, UK, and everything like Dubai and the rest of the world. And they always tell me this is so interesting in terms of price and that the quality is amazing because, you know, I try to source amazing and authentic also luxury handbags and accessories. I do not have only bags. Speaking about small accessories, sorry. I have it one here and this is a Chanel. I do have the dust bag for this one. This is a very recent one. I'm so excited. We have a small wallet. I love it. This is a pink, like darker pink, I would say. Gold hardware. This is a very recent one. I do not have the box. I do not have the sticker. I think it was removed inside. You can see it, but anyway. So you can fit one card here, two here, and cash here or cards also. Then you have the parts for the coins that is here. Condition is actually very good. You only have like a little stain here, and so you only have like a little stain here, and inside you can see it was like a bit used. But otherwise, price is nice as always. Price is 490 euro for this little wallet. Very worth the price, knowing how much it costs in store, guys. And apparently they increased twice in the US not so long ago, so you know. What else? Oh yes, I have this. So we have a Louis Vuitton backpack. I do have the dust bag just here for this baby. This is a damier Eben one. Condition is very, very good. This is not a brand new one, but very good condition. My client almost never wore it, actually. You have long strap on the behind in leather. Leather part also is quite good, like very good condition. On the bottom of the bag, you have some few little marks and the corners are a little bit used, but it's very, very minor. Otherwise, condition is insane. Inside of the bag is red linen. We have a pocket, zipper pocket. No, we have a pocket inside, so it's cool if you want to put like things. It's like pretty profound. We have like something here, but then you can put your wallet or a pouch or anything. Inside is good condition, a few little stains, but otherwise very good. And the price for this baby is €700, which is insane, knowing that in store now these kind of bags are worth way more. Okay, something else now. So guys, I'm sorry I had like a little issue with my video, so I'm filming again this part. Sorry in advance. But so next bag that I wanted to show you is this beautiful Lady Dior size medium. I'm so excited because this one, each time I release one in black, it goes sold out super fast. So I'm super excited to have a new one. So if you want it, be super fast because guys, you're completely crazy about bags sometimes as much as I am actually. So yeah, no. Anyway, let's start with the bag. So this one is in amazing condition. I'm so excited. This one was produced before 1997 because you do not have a serial number on it, and this one is more flexible. I would say you do not have the like hard part on all the bags. So it means it was before 97, even before 95, I think. So it's beautiful because Dior introduced serial number on bags from 97 approximately. Okay, so condition of the bag now. I love it. It's amazing. So the bag is in great condition, I must say. You have one little mark here, few little scratches on the bottom of the bag, but it's almost nothing. Otherwise, back of the bag also is amazing. You have one minor scratches here. It's so little. Hardware is amazing. Gold hardware, beautiful. Like guys, this bag is insane. Handles are perfect. Inside of the bag also is very good. It's red fabric. I love it. You have a little zipper here on this part. It's gorgeous. And the price now is insane. Price is €1,900 for this amazing baby. This is available right now on the website. So if you want it, I really advise you to go super quick and to buy it because, you know, it's like a classic. Okay, another thing that I have, and I think you're going to be crazy about it. Like the first time I had one, it was for Je suis Lou. I was so excited for her because it's beautiful watch. And then so I released another one on the website. It goes sold out instant. And it went to the US, actually. Someone from the US bought it. So if you are the person that bought the first watch I'm going to talk about and that you're watching this video, thank you again for your order. I'm super happy because you're going to love it, guys. So this is a premiere watch from Chanel. This is a very classic watch, I would say. This is kind of a bracelet watch. It's beautiful. It's a jewelry. It's amazing. This one is vintage, so it's gold plated on the watch. I love it. Condition is actually super good. The leather bracelet is amazing. Like gold hardware is a little bit used here and there, but it's a little bit like tarnishing, but it's so little and it's like vintage, obviously. But like, yeah, the back has some little scratches, but it's nothing big. And you have the part with the glass that is in very good condition. You have like some few marks, but otherwise it's insane. And the price is crazy. Price for this one is €1,940, while in store it's like 6,000 USD. And like in euro, I believe it's 5,000 something. So it's kind of crazy. Like we do have very special prices. I'm very excited because I love this watch. By the way, if this one is sold out on the website tonight, do not hesitate to ask me on Instagram or here because I might have another one. I just received it. I don't know yet if I'm going to put it on the website yet. We will see, but maybe. Just in case, I let you know, and you know that there is another one waiting. It's approximately the same condition. The only thing is that here it's a little, like one stitching is missing, but it's repairable, and it will be less expensive. This is also a Chanel wallet. This one is a long zippy one, a dark brown caviar leather. Beautiful. Silver hardware. Zipper works perfectly. Condition of the wallet, I would say good, very good. We do have a little stain here, but it's very little. On the sides of the wallet, it starts to damage, to be used a little bit. Here it's a bit darker, but otherwise amazing. For this one, I also have the authenticity card and paper of the bag, of the wallet, sorry. Inside is a very good condition. Like, I have nothing to say. Even like the coin section is such in a good condition. Like, I'm trying to show you how it looks like. But otherwise, you have photos and description on my website as usual. And the price for this one is also very nice. It's 490 euro. Corners are a little bit used, but it's nothing. Right. Oh, yes. I also do have this. So we have a toiletry pouch 26 from Louis Vuitton. Sorry for the sun. It's like coming inside more and more. I don't know what's happening. But anyway, it's cute. So I do have a Louis Vuitton pouch 26. Good condition, I would say. It's not a brand new one. It's a vintage. Outside is very good, except the corners that are used. Try to show you, but you have every information on the website as usual. The zipper is a bit hard, I believe, because it's normal, like it's vintage. But you can use like candles on it for like the zipper to be a bit smoother. It's a little bit damaged here because of a stitching, like one stitching is popping, but inside is very good. Usually the inside is not that good, and you have very, very little stains, and it's very clean inside, so I'm quite impressed. Price is also good. It's 360 euro. Voila. That you wanted maybe to check from the beginning. Hermes. Okay, so this one is very recent. We do have the box. Look at the sun, like we're joining here only for the Hermes gift. Okay, so we do have like the little ribbon, and we have the papers. We do have dust bag for this one. I will try to to be like not on the front. So we do have the dust bag, and ta-da-da, this is the Roulis mini wallet, and you can wear it as a crossbody bag or a belt bag. So it's actually very good. Trying to show you from closer. Condition on this one is quite amazing. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. Beautiful. We still have like the protection inside. Condition is gorgeous, and inside of this one you do have like a little wallet with a zipper, so it's beautiful, like if you want to put like coins or whatever, and inside is gorgeous. Condition is almost as new. The only thing is you have like a little mark here. I think it was pressed or whatever, because I don't think it was like actually used. It's insane, like very gorgeous. Color is called Béton. It's like kind of a gray. You can wear this bag with a belt, or you can wear this little baby with a strap that you can buy and put like as a strap bag. It's like very, very, very nice. And for this one, the price, I do not remember the price of this baby. It's here. The price for this one is 2,230 euro. So it's just below the retail price, which is pretty like rare. Usually at Hermes, everything like that you see secondhand is above retail price. So I'm quite happy that I was able to negotiate with my client to have it like under retail price. So, you know, just enjoy it. And I hope you will like what I'm offering to you today as a choice, as bags and accessories. But this is a very, very cute one. I kind of love it. I never seen it in person before, so I was pretty amazed by it. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this video. Everything is available on the website. We ship worldwide as usual. And yeah, otherwise I will see you on my next video, which will be Sunday, because Sunday I have more classic videos where I speak about like luxury, my own collection, because I'm like a bag lover too. Yeah, you know, like most classic video. By the way, if you have any videos or any subject that you want me to talk about in future videos, do not hesitate to tell me in the comment, and just let me know which bags and accessories that you prefer today in this backdrop day. Anyway, thank you so much again for watching my channel, and I will see you soon. Bisous, bye bye.